Alright, let's open it up. Here we go. Comes with this little piece of plastic that you stick to the windshield in order to mount the dash cam. Comes with a manual, of course. And here's the camera itself. Wow, look at that. That is pretty small. Pretty tiny. So here's where you would put the SD card and the power. Looks like it takes micro USB. There's a little reset area here where you could put in a paper clip to reset it. This would adjust the angle. So this is kind of like a GoPro-ish kind of mount a little bit. Unscrew this. I wonder if this unscrews. Oh yeah, it actually does unscrew all the way. So yeah, it's literally like almost a GoPro mount, but alright. And here's the camera. There's the camera. Let's see what else is in here. And that was the screw. Here's the charging cable. Ooh, a nice charging cable. Feels nice. It's a USB micro charging cable. And this little box is obviously something in here. So we'll take this out. This must be the... Yeah, this is the cigarette lighter adapter, the USB. So that's nice as well. Alright, you need to download and install the 70mai app and then open it. And it's going to want you to create a login. Okay, you'll have to sign up with an account. So click sign up and then put in your email address and choose a password. And then the security code, you're going to have to click hit get security code, and it'll send a security code to your email that you put in. So that was a little bit confusing, but it's sending it to the email address that you put in. And then once you put in all that information, you hit submit, and that will create your account. And then you put in your account to log in. Alright, we're going to click add a device. Then we'll choose, let's see, which one. This one is the 1S, and if you're unsure, you can look on the back and it'll have a model number. Alright, so we're going to have to turn on the Wi-Fi by clicking the button. Whoops. Alright, the button went green, now blue.
Low battery, connect the in-car charger cable.
Alright.
Wi-Fi's already on. Activate it using cell phone connection.
Okay, I've turned the Wi-Fi on. Now let me hit next. I'll click allow. Alright, next. Now I want to click with my Wi-Fi and connect to the Wi-Fi network that the dash cam is giving off. So once I have connected to the Wi-Fi network. Okay, so once you go on your Wi-Fi networks on your phone and find the Wi-Fi network, then we're going to click this button. Click the power button to authorize. I did.
Turning off Wi-Fi hotspot. Wi-Fi hotspot is off. Turning on Wi-Fi hotspot. Wi-Fi hotspot is on. Make the power key to authorize.
Alright, that was kind of a pain in the butt. So something they could probably improve with their product. You basically have to click the power key the minute that it says click the power key. Alright, so you may have to fiddle with that a couple times to get it to work, to get it to connect to the Wi-Fi of the dash cam. So we'll hit open dash cam. Let's see, 1 minute to get to know. Okay, this is just a guide. Okay.
Format memory card.
Okay, I had to like join the Wi-Fi network again because I guess my home Wi-Fi was trying to jump on my home Wi-Fi or whatever. The whole Wi-Fi connection to this thing is like not a very good feature in my opinion. It's really a pain. Alright, we're gonna format the SD card.
Formatting memory card. Formatting succeeded. Adobe starts recording.
Alright, so the dash cam is on, and that's basically the view. It's pointed at nothing right now. So there's a lot of different options here. Alright, let's go through some of these settings. Click on the three little dots at the top. I'll probably put sound recording on for right now. Voice control, just leave it on. Speaker volume, I'll probably turn down to medium. And then recording duration would be how long you want a clip to be before it starts recording the next clip. So I'll probably do 3 minutes.
I have stopped recording. Adobe starts recording.
Okay, now it's talking to me. And then of course you can set the date, which would definitely be a good idea. Let's see, advanced settings, power on Wi-Fi setting, power on sound, image quality, excellent, I definitely want that. Collision sensitivity, I'm not sure, I'll have to play around with this to see like how sensitive this is. Probably just leave it on the default right now. Auto off after stop, 20 minutes, ooh, that sounds like a long time. But I guess that's, wow, you can have this thing run for 50 minutes after you power the car off? Yikes. Okay, not that that's a bad thing, I'm just surprised that it has such a long battery. I'm gonna put WDR, I believe that's dynamic range.
I have stopped recording.
So
Adobe starts recording.
every time I make one of these settings changes, the voice on the dash cam starts talking. Let's see, yeah, I would probably leave the WDR on because that's going to help with light and dark areas in your footage. Let's see, set Wi-Fi password. I guess I'm assuming that's to change from the default. Let's see, P/N, that's going to be select what video mode that you have.
Emergency video.
I think I just said record, so that's why she's started to record. But anyway, I forget there's voice commands. So I might end up turning those voice commands off because it might be annoying every time you say something that they start, But the P/N, that's going to be what video mode. So I think NTSC is for like North America, and maybe PAL or PAL, that would be for Europe or other countries. I don't know. Okay, let's go back to the main screen. So that was advanced settings, SD card state. So that's going to show my status. Okay. Oh, that's nice. It actually shows you like how much video space and photo space you have left. That's pretty good. Format the card. Restore default settings. Language about. It's going to show you the firmware version. And that looks to be all of the settings. Alright, let's see if it'll bring me back to the live view. I don't know what that pop-up means. So there's the live view. I don't have anything pointed at, but once I put it in the car, you'll get to see what it looks like. But I can hit the take photo button, and I guess I would have to allow it to access my photos, which I don't know if I want to do that with this app, but it does. This device does not support power button or voice control when the 70. Oh, I guess that means you can't use the app at the same time that you're using voice commands or something. I don't know. Okay. So supposedly it took a photo. Go to albums. Let's see. The voice will stop recording when enter the album. Okay.
Well, I have stopped recording.
And normal. Oh, these must be the videos that it took. Got it. Alright, so let's look at this photo. Oh, well, that's still a video. Well, it's supposed to take a photo. Let's try it again.
Adobe starts recording.
Alright. Now it took a photo. Go to albums. Confirm.
Well, I have stopped recording.
Hit photo, and there's a photo. Alright. You can download it or delete it.
Adobe starts recording.
And I think the voice commands are take a photo. Maybe it doesn't work when I have the app up. Start recording. Take a photo. So supposedly it has some voice commands. Take picture.
Capture is completed.
Nice. Record video.
Start recording emergency video.
Stop recording. I guess it doesn't have a stop recording. That could be something they could put in there. That would make sense. Let's see. So pressing once turns the Wi-Fi on and off. Pressing this button. Press 3 times in a row formats the memory card. 1, 2, 3. Is it doing something? It's blinking.
Recording completed.
So I don't know if that. Did she say formatting? 1, 2, 3.
Well, I have stopped recording. Formatting memory card.
Okay, now it's working.
Formatting succeeded.
Okay.
Adobe starts recording.
Alright, and then 5 times in a row would reset factory settings. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Well, I have stopped recording. Resetting factory settings. Factory settings are reset. Please restart the device.
Okay. So I guess I would power it on.
Mine's already on. Activated using cell phone connection.
So to turn it off, press and hold. Whoops. Alright, so you should be able to be getting a view here of the 70mai dash cam as I'm driving along, and hopefully you can hear this audio. The audio is pretty good with the 70mai in some of the videos that I've done.